Yeah, Sanbonan. So yeah, for me, this my results were like disappointing. While some of you all available might be happy with like managed to score available 1-1. So Kaizer Chiefs one and Zamalek one. So yeah, man, it was a disappointing match available from like you said, like the Kaizer Chiefs, but like knowing ukuthi like equality and Zamalek la vele nayo available, it is kind of understandable match. But the things that like actually we were actually a team that actually had like an upper advantage available because first of all we're playing at home. Second of all, you have Velama fans available, and then the thing is that we don't even dominate available the match. So yeah, man, it was a difficult match if like I'm being honest because like it's a nokuqala, like there are no many positives that ungathatha kulo match le because like it's a very match isaqala nokuqala available. It was a thing yokuthi we considered about first of all too early, which actually meant ukuthi like we're supposed to chase the match, and that meant ukuthi like ama-fans available they'll be against players because it is a thing ukuthi ama-players they are on a mentality yokuthi my they are wanting to score available amanto more goals vele they're supposed to win the match available, and it is a thing also which like we're needing these 3 points available the most because we lost our first game about, so like imagine 2 games available since so we didn't get like any win that was going to be getting even any point available. That was going to be very disappointing, but like eventually we were able to go to like Sinto seeing recover, but we didn't win the match, which is why I'm actually like sad. So I just want to speak from like a starting lineup available today. So like starting lineup today, there were too many changes available, which are understandable first of all available because like on the last match we played Ashito Brezi, and Ashito Brezi today was replaced by Usirino, and on our last match Ashito Brezi, if I'm being honest, he didn't give us anything. And then another guy that was actually put head on today's match, it was Upule Modi. And if I'm being honest with Upule Modi also, that's like as much as like ama-coaches vele I understand ukuthi like basuka kuphi basuka kwelephi side ngithoba coaches ukuthi like baselectele Upule Modi yabo, but the thing is that if like he's getting many opportunities and akawasebenzisi, and the player most of the time he's like introduce so Upule Modi, it is a thing with him is that defensive wise available he's giving us a lot of work, but attacking wise, if I'm being honest, he's not giving a contribution really that much because it is a thing ukuthi first of all ama-crosses akawabring. I don't know if I can say right now, not even on this match, let's count our matches like osawadlala Upule Modi, how many times have you been seeing Upule Modi giving us ama-crosses about in the box? Not that much, and ama-crosses they even came from like our wing back available, which is Marco, and eventually on this game we even lost most of like our key players available, which is Papi, Dustin Sereno, Umdala, and also even lost Mr. Magomba onto Umlung available due to injuries. So like on today's game also it was a thing ukuthi, if I'm being honest, from like side level coaches before like attack and stuff, it was a thing like it is difficult to manage a really game vele ngama-subs because they were forced ukuthi bantu substitute available while it is still early. So it was that thing, and also like in the midfield they also changed available unto Ucele and they put it to Mabo yabo. On that part I didn't understand, but overall Mabo actually proved me wrong, which even though it wasn't one of like our best matches akabo, if I'm being honest available the match later today, it wasn't one of like our best matches I can see ukuthi like bafuna ukwenzani, but it was a thing ukuthi between him and Unyambos available there wasn't chemistry, just like Unyambos noKosiphile Ngcobo, which is Joel vele yabo, and lapha kwi-midfield, which I will say ukuthi like they have very chemistry, kind of understand each other better, because the thing with like uNgcobo is playing with Unyambos ukuthi yena uyasondela more vele yabo, and then uMabo, it was a thing ukuthi like I'm understanding that much, and Unyambose at the end of the day, as much as like he's not that good available progressing their ball. And another thing that I've noticed is that most of our players they don't even trust him, so they don't actually pass him available ball when like there are 2 players available behind him. I was on pressure because they don't trust him that much. So it is a thing yokuthi uMabo wasn't that close njengoNgcobo available and wasn't under a relationship vele yabo. It was first time adlala vele noNyambos, and it is first time aqala vele kule starting lineup, and on a crucial game like this I couldn't understand nokuthi why vele yabo ukuthi abacali vele bangekho and stuff. But overall, like the guy, if I'm being honest, as like first match yakhe vele lena, I'm kind of impressed of what he actually did, because kuthe vele makasakazonto when they actually base bakhipha vele uNyambose bo, and it was by that time when we were actually chasing the match, unto we started to more control vele yabo midfield, and unto uNgcobo also yabo actually complimented him, because like we actually gotten two of our ball playing midfielders, and that is how we even actually gotten the last minute goal vele yabo by Unto Solomons, which is a goal I will say bogilaki bafethu yabo, if like I'm being honest. And then going forward way to today, if I'm being honest, I'm a little bit disappointed, especially from Unto Pulemori vele yabo, because it doesn't give us that much. And then kule side leli likanto lika Sereno vele yabo, it was a thing ukuthi like umjito yela waba injured, and then we were forced ukuthi siphuthe vele uMfundo Vilakazi, and on this kind of a match, especially madlala vele kwi-CAF yabo, if you were watching vele CAF vele overall, it is a thing ukuthi like aggressive, which is why even like nama scores vele yabo angavele that much vele yabo phezulu njenge-UEFA yabo. So it was a thing ukuthi uMfundo Vilakazi, since vele aggressive vele yabo, they kind of be bullying him a lot, and due to physicality the boy vele yabo couldn't do that much, even though like I believe ukuthi like he didn't do mistakes amangago, but he could have actually given us more available, so they are expected to get more. And then we started Ikotaro available. One thing about Ikotaro, and which is one of the things many of y'all out there might argue and be against Yon available, it is a thing yokuthi Ikotaro drops a lot yabo. The reason it drops a lot is because it's making the team play yabo. I don't know if like in Bayern yabo, there's this guy Banu Kane, if you watch Bayern, Ikotaro is actually doing the same thing yabo, but ukuthi Maya is dropping too quick, but the things that masters attack available actually ukuthi like in the pace vele that much yabo. So like Pinda as short is available nama numbers masumele siye phambili, but like it's actually giving us a lot, and like he's helpful. But today it is a thing which also like we're not keeping the ball available that much. So if I'm being honest, on today's match Bafethu, we actually gotten dominated a lot, besides like Marcelo Zosala like the last minute available we match. And yeah man, at least we got like a point, but I'm not happy because like we are home available. So yeah, it was a difficult match, and on this game I'm not able to even say which like a man of the match available ngainikeza ubani. I don't know which like ngainikeza anybody, because I think the only person being amazed man of the match is Peter Sini, but like eventually we had our considerable, and then Mabo we had a clean game, so I can't actually, if I'm being honest, select available man of the match on today's game. But I hope we to pick up, I hope we to like we back the boys up, and I just want to clap hands for Solomons also available for getting well his second CAF goal available. He's just keep on like trying to save us available a lot. And yeah man, I just want to say also like players who cross, no Sereno, they recover very quick. And another thing, Buffett, and another thing I just want to say, as much as like most of y'all available actually hate Ulilepo, because unokubona available on social media actually hate Ulilepo. I think on this type of farmer matches, Buffett, if we're being honest, we need Ulilepo, because like most of our wingers say to la manye mancane, and like Pulemori available as iwinga vele nomzimba available, and as iwinga ungakwazi ukuthi vele address vele this issue of like being intense available, and manage vele ukuthi vele abe aggressive yabo, but it doesn't give us a lot. And like Ulilepo, he's the only winger, if I'm being honest, ongakwazi ukuthi like asinikeze like a lot. So we CAF, I don't know, we PSL I still believe available, but like we CAF, as you all see, even like Nobo Refi, abantu amafans amaningi vele abawajudge, and it is a game which like aggressive and like nama police. And if I'm being honest also, like it was a boring match bafethu, ngikhuluma like iqiniso yabo, because there were isikhathi like best waste like a lot, there were many 2 fouls, and we didn't take most of our opportunities. I'm actually disappointed bafethu, but yeah, tell me what you all actually like think yabo. And I hope you come back. I hope you recover. Now we're just supposed to focus on the league. Orlando Pirates right now, Belele Yona, get the winner, 2-0. Congratulations to them. Congratulations to them. So, yeah, thank you.